Dear humankind, ours is not a short story. It's an epic tale written over eons. I, the Earth, have known you over hundreds of thousands of years. I've witnessed your achievements, your ingenuity, your pain. You are the first generation to fully understand my suffering, and you might be the last that could see my lands revived. To all generations, the adventurers, the pioneers, the thinkers, and the dreamers, to all of you, let's find common ground in what unites us. Restore my lands for future generations. A tree begins with a seed. Generation restoration begins with you.